Hey, I am Kimbo and I blog at agirlnagluggun.com, and today I am here to show you what's inside the Expressions Vinyl July mystery box. They actually let me pick what's inside the box. Look, it's my logo. It was a little overwhelming because they have so many colors and so many different kinds of vinyl, but I tried to pick a good mix and a good variety, and all the colors coordinate and look great together but can be used separately. So we're just going to dive in and I'm going to show you what's in the box. There's actually three different boxes. There is an HTV only box, an adhesive box, and then a combo box. So the combo has both the HTV and the adhesive. If you've ordered a mystery box in the past, you might notice that they have some new packaging. I am loving this new packaging because when you open it up, the HTV is all sealed together, and the adhesive, if I can get it out, there we go, is all sealed together. So there's no mixing, no trying to figure out which glitter is adhesive and which glitter is HTV. I am totally going to save these and store some vinyl in there, like my specialty ones that I don't want to get mixed in with my other ones. So, bonus hack. I am going to start you off by showing you what's in the heat transfer vinyl pack. First, I love this setup that Expressions Vinyl has. It tells you the kind of vinyl, the color that it comes in, so in case you love it and want to order more. It tells you cut settings, iron settings. It tells you if it's a hot pill or a cold pill, and it even tells you if it can be layered. It's amazing. So the first piece that I'm going to show you is actually a custom pattern that I designed specifically for Expressions Vinyl Mystery Box. And I picked all the other colors in the vinyl box to go with it, to coordinate with it. So that's why I'm going to show it to you first. Are you ready? It's called a Fiery Leopard. I don't know if you guys have seen the animal print trend everywhere. I've seen it in so many stores, and I love the leopard one. So I wanted to make a fun, colorful, like summery version. That is the basis for all of this fun colored vinyl. I have a coral and easy weed, which obviously is one of my favorite colors, and a red in the easy weed. See how it coordinates with it. We also have a strip flock in yellow. I don't know if you guys have used strip flock. It almost has like a suede finish to it. It's really cool. Hang on, let me show you with the leopard up there. I also picked silver and glitter because glitter HTV is just so good. It's so shiny. This has a carrier sheet on top of it, so you're not even getting like the full glitter, but it's so glittery and pretty. There's also, I wanted to call it chalkboard, but it's called Blackboard. Blackboard Easy Weed. It's a chalkboard. You can iron this on a tote bag or a pillow or a shirt and you can erase it and draw on it with chalk. It's way fun. And then I picked another pattern for the heat transfer vinyl because I love pattern vinyl. I want all of Expressions Vinyl's pattern, like just one of each, please. So this one is tie-dye indigo, which tie-dye is just screams summer. So what's better than July is some tie-dye with some fiery leopard, right? It is. Aren't those pretty? Now, I don't know if you guys have already been planning like back to school crafts, but when this was laid all out, I totally thought, look, does that not look like a pencil? And then we have red apples, and then a chalkboard, blackboard, heat transfer vinyl. So if you want to make some back to school crafts, it's very summery, but there is that option. Now I'm going to show you what's in the adhesive pack, and just like the other one, it has the colors, the kinds, and the suggested cut settings and everything right there. So helpful. In the adhesive, you get an adhesive version of the Fiery Leopard. You also get two glitters. You get a white glitter and an orange glitter, and it's so hard to see on camera, but these are so shiny and pretty. I'm hoping the light is catching them and you can see that they are glittery, but look how good. Look how good. You also get Series 51. You have a mint and a dark blue. Now, the purpose in my head, when you're using pattern, the pattern gets lost really easy if you are cutting out something kind of tiny or detail. So I love to have these solid colors to layer, to either do an offset or a shadow around. I actually created a bunch of cut files that you will get with the mystery box, and a lot of them have that outline. So when you're cutting something out of this, you can layer it on top of the solid blue, and then it just helps that pattern pop a little bit. So I threw in that blue because it matches pretty perfectly, and then I just love that mint. I feel like it doesn't necessarily match, but doesn't that look pretty together? I keep wanting to show you like all together. Like it's so good when you spread it all out and see them. How pretty. I also I picked Expressions vinyl, threw it in. This is etched, it's etched red. It looks pink, but it's just an etched adhesive vinyl. I don't know if you guys have tried it. It's really fun. I have a fun saying on my back sliding glass door that is kindly trying to remind my kids to shut the door, that we're not heating the whole neighborhood. So it's fun, very subtle etched look to it. It really looks like if you've done the etched with the etched cream, there's no mess, no smell, and it looks just like it. So that's really fun. You also get 2 grid line paper transfer tape. There's 2 12 by 12 sheets in there, so you're ready to craft. I also picked another pattern. So the pattern for the HTV is the Indigo tie-dye, and this one it's called Unicorn Dreams. Isn't that pretty? I love unicorn. So this one's on the Expressions Vinyl website, as well as that Indigo tie-dye too. I wanted to show you how good that looks. Look, see, I'm like, I had to pick it. It matches perfectly. So good. And then this one is one of my favorites. I knew right away that this box would have opal in it because the opal is so good. This is Opal Orange. And I'm hoping that you can see it's orange and then yellow and then pink and then like a coral. Oh, the opal is beautiful. I could literally fill an entire mystery box with all the opal. All right, let me show you all these adhesive together so you can see them all. The transfer tape's up here. This doesn't include the transfer tape. Look at how pretty. So that's the adhesive. This is the heat transfer vinyl. Those pretty. And then let's put them all together. Okay, I'm gonna try to lift up heat transfer and the adhesive together. That's a lot of vinyl. Okay. Hang on, my unicorns are hiding. Okay. Ooh, hope I don't drop anything. Look at how good that looks. All right, if you guys make anything using this vinyl from the mystery box, make sure to tag Expressions Vinyl just because we can see. That is the best part, is seeing all of the fun projects that people create. Thanks for letting me bug you. Hopefully you guys have already gotten your vinyl box and I didn't spoil the surprise for anybody.